Welcome, America, to Cat Planet Cuties. Welcome to an entire planet populated with
quantum videos, Catman. Na Catman, Catman. It should be Fat Man, Fat Man. And today, America, I will show you what it means to be a Catman, because I got cat scratch fever. Quantum videos got cat scratch fever all through the night. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've made it to Cat Planet Cuties. I'm here for you, quantum cats, and you will never escape the claws of the dog catcher.
Oh no, somebody please help, Quantum Cat! The dog catcher's after me!
That's right, and you're going to the pound, kitty. The dog catcher has arrived, and no cat cuties are safe anymore. Woof.